Kasha. Ay, sa taas na lang po. Opo, opo.
Mama, that's what I'm doing.
It's a sign. A sign that
Pause muna natin yung TV.
Okay.
a sign.
So, as I'm practicing number blocks. Why are you watching me? Little carton po yung I am.
Yan na lang, gel gamil na lang muna.
How was the release?
Opo.
Mama already answered this. It's 70. Oh, wait.
Oh. I think you forgot something.
It's 83.
Okay, number 2 na po.
Mama, this 3 bawas.
Walang carry yan. Hindi yun bawas. Carry. Walang
Carry, Mama.
4 plus 5 is
9.
walang carry. 9 lang. Sa baba lang.
It's 59.
Oh.
That's sunod by 60. Wala ito.
Ano ba yung 5 plus 5?
10.
Oh.
Wala
Meron, wala?
po. Wala. Wala.
Paano mo isusulat yung 10?
Wait, just joking.
Sige. Di ba?
7 plus 2. It's no more 90. There's no more final blah blah blah. 1 plus 9. Mama, same lang ito.
Oh, sige, tinan mo nga.
1 plus 9 is 10.
Carry 1, bring down 0.
Opo, alam ko na po. Kasi ganyan na po.
Opo, oh.
3 plus 3 is 6. Baliktad po.
Tama.
It's number 62.
Ano yung number 4? Ano yung sagot sa number 4?
Ano?
Ito yung number 4, di ba? Ano yung sagot? Anong number yan?
6.
Yung dalawa na yan?
60.
60.